Hello everyone, welcome to my online class and I am present with chapter number 15 of English literature. The title of this chapter is The Sky Falling, and through this video I am going to teach you about study skills of this chapter. So let's begin the class. English literature chapter number 15. The title of this chapter is The Sky is Falling. This is sixth part of this chapter and we will learn about study skills. Study skills. In study skills section, some questions are given in your textbook. So we will try to learn. Question is answer this question. Answer this question. Answer these questions. Question number 1. Question number 1 is the name of animal. Which animal rhyme with box? Sentence number 2. The name of which animal rhymes with beer? First, I have written two sentences on the board, and in this given space, we will write the name of animals with just the rhymes of this given word box. First, tell me what is the rhymes of box. When all of you have read this story, you can easily find the word, rhyming word of this box, or you can find out the surrounding. So I am going to write the two rhyming word of box. First will be what? First will be fox. So first answer will be fox, Fox, and the second, in this question we will write only one, but more than one option if you have, you can write in the PT or periodic test. So already I have written the name of one animal fox, and the second animals will be fox. Fox and ox. Now come to the sentence number 2. The name of which animal rhymes with deer? So what is the answer? Answer will be bear. Bear. Or second, deer. So this is the two sentence. I am going to write some more sentences on the board to clarify this section of this chapter number 15, the study skills. Sentence number 3. Sentence number 3 is the name of which animal rhymes with the name of which animal rhyme with pen? Sentence number 4. The name of which animal rhymes with carrot? Sentence number 5. the name of which animal rhymes with this? This. So sentence number 3, the name of which animal rhymes with pain? अब हम लोग पेन बोल रहे हैं तो पेन का राइमिंग वर्ड में हम लोग को ऐसा एक एनिमल्स का नाम लिखना है पेन, तो क्या होगा? आंसर विल बी हैन. पेन हैन. हैन मतलब मुर्गी. सेंटेंस नंबर 4, द नेम ऑफ विच एनिमल राइम्स विद कैरोट? सो आंसर विल बी पैरोट. पैरोट. The name of which animal rhymes with carrot? Answer will be parrot. This is our answer. This is our answer. Okay. Sentence number 5. The name of which animal rhymes with dish? Dish मतलब भोजन. So what is answer? Answer will be fish. F-I-E-S-H, fish. Third answer is hen. Fourth answer will be parrot. Fifth answer will be fish. Dish. What is the rhyming word of dish? Fish, carrot, parrot, pen, hen. Now I am going to write some more sentences. Sentence number 6. And the sentence number 6 is the name of which animal rhymes with coat? Sentence number 7. The name of which animal rhymes with tear? Sentence number 8. The name of which animal uh, rhymes with mat? M-A-T, mat. Sentence number 6, 7, 8. Sentence number 6. The name of which animal rhymes with coat? Answer will be what? God. Coat, God. Coat, God. Not God. What मतलब प्राप्त करना? Coat, God. The name of which animal rhymes with tear? Answer will be deer. Deer. The name of which animal rhymes with mat? Answer will be what? Answer will be bat. चमगादड़. Bat, not bat. वो खेलने वाला नहीं, उड़ने वाला. Bat, cat, and animals. Rat. What is the rhyming words of mat, bat, cat, rat? Mat का rhyming word क्या होगा? Bat, cat, rat. Okay. Now I am going to write some more sentences. The name of which animal rhymes with, this is H, okay, R-H-Y, rhymes with what? Rhymes with chunky, C-H-U-N, C-H-U-N, what? C-H-U-N-K-Y, chunky. What is the rhyming word? What is answer? Answer will be Monkey, Monkey. Second answer will be donkey, Donkey. Monkey and donkey. These two words are rhyming words of chunky. Okay. So students, through this video we have learned about study sections or rhyming words of given word. Thank you.